The Woxcker L2 5.5W Engraver offers an impressive level of precision with its advanced laser technology, achieving a focus as fine as 0.01 millimeters for intricate and detailed engravings. Safety is paramount with this engraver, featuring multiple protective measures such as UV filtering, automatic shutdown on lid opening, a flame sensor, and an emergency stop button. This machine excels in efficiency, boasting high-speed capabilities with a maximum speed of 20,000 millimeters per minute, dramatically reducing engraving time across various materials. The engraver provides extensive compatibility with popular software and diverse file formats, making it versatile for different engraving projects and user preferences. Its modular design simplifies the assembly process, allowing even beginners to set up the machine with ease and without needing to adjust belts or perform complex tasks. The Woxcker L2 is robustly built to handle a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, glass, and acrylic, making it a versatile tool for any creative project.